pepper into the toilet. This one trick will make your toilet never the same again. Pour about 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper into a tall container. Pepper has antibacterial properties, and its fine particles help remove limescale. Next, it's time for vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the container. Vinegar dissolves limescale, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and prevents them from coming back. The next ingredient is dish soap. Add 2 tablespoons. The soap removes grease, dirt, and adds shine. Now add about 2 cups of water so everything mixes well and stays fluid enough. Stir thoroughly to create a smooth, active solution. Prepare an empty soda bottle. Make a small hole in the cap. This step is very important. Pour the mixture into the bottle and screw the cap on tightly. Pour the ready liquid into the toilet bowl, coating the entire inside. Use a brush to spread the cleaner on the walls. This liquid dissolves limescale, removes dirt, kills bacteria, and freshens up. It will leave your toilet sparkling and free of buildup and bacteria. It's a cheap and natural solution.